cleaning your paintbrushes and rollers, remove the excess paint. You can use your fingers, just get right in there. Other thing to use is either a nail brush or just a hand brush, and just clean it along the length of the bristles. That's my cleaning water, and this is my rinsing. I'm just going to do exactly the same in here, just to get those last bits off. And once it's cleaned, to get the excess water out of your paintbrush, is to give it a spin. Put that on the side, get rid of all the excess on your roller. See the curve? It's for actually removing the paint on a roller. It can be used on the big rollers as well, and you can see the paint's just coming off. And it's exactly the same. Clean in here, get your hands all mucky, and then rinse it off in here.